In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to easily improve your microphone audio in just one click in OBS. So as you can see, this is my current microphone audio looks like. Now come to this audio mixer section. Here you get this mic option. So this is your mic sound. Now just click on this three dot under mic and here click on filters. Now we are going to add a filter to improve our microphone audio. So click on this plus icon and select compressor. Once the compressor filter added, here you get output gain. So our main magic is this output gain. So I'm just increasing this output gain to 14 dB and here clicking on close. And now, as you can see, this is my current microphone audio looks like. So that's how you can actually do it. Thanks for watching.